Hi, this is Lakshmi Prasad from PySpiders Rajajinagar. I'm working as a trainer here. So one of our students got placed in a company, so she is going to share her experience.
My name is NAMRATA. I'm from Bijapur. I joined PySpiders in the month of October, and I started with Python and SQL. Python class is taken by Lakshmi sir only, and SQL is taken by Murali sir. And next, I took Python testing course, which is manual, taken by Gautam sir and Pradeep sir. Selenium is ongoing. Grooming has done. So this is the.
So which are all the activities help you to crack interview?
Okay, mock interviews and grooming sessions and boot camps. These are all helps me to build my communication skill also and my confidence also. So these are very helpful for me to crack the interview today itself.
Congratulations. Thank you.
Thank you.